here too. Last time we
In
summoned a
prison?
demon and killed whoever it was. David.
David, I think
Why
his
are
name
you
was
in
David.
jail?
Bro, what's wrong with this bed? What happened to the bed? Look at this.
Why are we in jail?
I was charged with murder and now I'm locked up. Why were
Why
we
the
charged with murder?
Why the
Because we found his dead body?
Welcome to Bloxburg.
frick? Among Us.
Free. Wait.
Among Us.
Among Us.
What the?
No.
No, I'm getting in bed.
Don't do it all.
Go to sleep. No.
Ah! Oh my god! Get in the bed!
Well, I don't see anything.
No!
Ah,
Oh, hello.
Minnie!
Hello, madam.
hi, friend. Hi.
Hi! Stop
Uh,
giving me minor heart attacks.
I have a link for your dripping eye thing.
No.
I'm actually about to teleport into
You
that.
just go on the toilet and poop seriously.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna take a little poop.
Little poop the. Oh, hi! Yay!
Objective,
Wait,
get out
wait.
of jail.
Who's the door?
Where are we in here in the first place?
Who is this door from?
I found something. I found a key card.
Yeah!
Look up.
There are cameras. Why are we aware about the cameras?
Where's your camera?
Why are there nobody in the cells?
Suspicious.
Aren't schools supposed to have cameras? They're like,
I'm scared.
Wait.
Oh, open it. Get out. I'm really scared now. It's just heart starts pumping really fast. Just like, oh my god. I just ate. Please, come on. Can you at least take it easy? I just ate. The reunion.
a reunion.
What reunion? With David, the
I don't
person
know.
who's dead? How are we gonna David?
Maybe a reunion with hairdresser.
Wait, where are you guys?
Oh,
Who the frick is moving?
I think this is a maze.
You
we just
cannot
gotta
see
just
or
not
hear
touch
you.
him or go
Avoid
with him.
touch him.
he cannot see or hear us.
So do not touch him. And we're safe.
Yeah, just don't touch him or go near him.
Star, open the door. Star, get in the door.
You?
Button.
I'm closing it again.
Close it. Wait, I think this is a safe place to hide. Wait, hold on.
I know, but we're not meant to hide.
That scared the freaking daylight out of me. Dang it, hold on.
Is there a combination?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
We can run with our space thing.
Yeah, I know.
Watch out for whoever that was.
Balu, I think it was.
I think his name was Marlon or something. I can't remember.
What? What the fuck? Okay, there might be a combination.
Oh, he's coming.
Get away from him, get away from him.
Run into the room.
I'm running as fast as I freaking can. Get in! I'm like shaking now. Just close the door.
I closed
Close
that
the door.
bad boy up.
Get in.
We just died. Get in the corner.
Get in the corner. We're all
Why
like,
is that door?
Cram in the
I'm
corner.
like scared.
I'm literally like physically shaking right now.
swear,
don't know
if
why-
he can open the door, I'm
I
gonna
can
be.
hear him.
I'm so close to just leaving the game right now.
Sounds like he's walking away.
Yeah, don't worry.
I'm like shaking right now.
So I think it's combination.
Yeah, we need to find like a combination.
I hear him.
Who wants to go open that door?
Not me.
I'll do it.
You there?
No, he's going.
He's like at the end of the hallway. he's
the
coming this
other
way.
Close the door. Close.
Wait, I'm
I
waiting.
closed it. He's gonna-
Freaking close the door! Close the door. Get in the corner.
Sorry, he's coming.
No, he went the other way. He literally went to another side.
I know, but once he gets into that, he's gonna come back.
Yes, I know. But he's slow, okay? I think we actually have to go that way.
We have to go the way he's gone.
Yeah. I'm not up for that.
What?
I'm not up for that. Let's go.
I can go. I can.
I
Wait,
love your
guys,
shirt that just says antisocial.
it's called introverted.
Introverted.
I'm gonna go get him to get me, and then I want to see what it's like.
Alright,
Well,
I'll do
he's-
the same. I'll do the same so we can possibly distract them. Okay,
Wait a minute. Didn't you say he can't see or hear us?
yeah,
He can't, but just don't go near him.
don't touch
He'll
him.
give us a
Right,
jump scare.
stick to the wall. Stick to the wall. Stick to the wall. Just stick to the wall. Nothing will happen.
Also, it said to not try not to go past him.
Huh?
Yeah. Try
It
not to
said
pass
try
him.
not to go past him?
Don't move.
It's funny how Star just casually starts walking backwards.
Get to the other side now. Get to the door.
He's gonna come this way pretty soon.
Get to the door.
If that's locked, we're doomed.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Get in.
Get in.
Close the door! Oh, my heart's pounding right now.
There's a button.
Button. Let me press the button. Button.
Nope. We have not. I
Oh.
just want to go
Nope.
try a bunch of
Wait!
combinations.
Didn't you guys
I
turn
turned off some
one
of
the
them.
buttons?
No! Somebody's gonna have to go back!
No, in
Nothing.
order.
I'm staying here.
In order. I think we need to turn them all back on again. I'm not. I don't want to.
Well, don't go back
Fine,
now,
I'm
I can
just
hear
gonna.
him.
Why don't me and Minnie go try the jump scare? Wanna do it?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't know if you will die completely.
Hey, before you go, turn down your sound. We don't know how
My
loud
sound
this
is
dude
at
could
1.
scream.
My sound is literally at 1.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
just turn mine down.
Can you complete?
Let's just wait for him here.
Yeah, Star can go while we can distract him. Come on.
No, but he won't follow you. That's a pattern. He comes. Look, he goes up, down, this way, down, that way, like this way, that way.
Mhm. I see him.
See, he's gonna turn. Or come back in.
Star's just not moving.
This works. All right. This works. This works.
Let's try it, Minnie.
He just killed me. Literally no jump scare. That's not
We
even
were scared of
scary.
nothing!
He just pushed me.
Did you
All
respawn?
right. Minnie, are you dead completely, or are you?
No, I've respawned.
Alright.
We
We were scared of nothing. We were literally scared of nothing.
Literally, he just pushes you.
That's funny.
I was expecting
yeah,
less
I
than a
can have
beauty
my
jump scare
volume
than that.
down.
'Cause the closer he gets, the creepier he looks. I was
Yeah, I
expecting
know.
like a jump scare worse than Judy jump scares, but I'm like,
He just kills you, but like Judy
he
jump
walks
scares.
into me
Look,
and I just fall over.
yeah,
Or it was a glitch and then he does have a jump scare. Who knows?
who knows?
No, pretty sure that was it. So, anyway, you have to do
There's
that.
smoke in there.
I'm already back.
Hi.
That scares me every
But
time.
yeah, do
I
not
turn
turn
the
it on.
power
really
on. Power's on. Power's on.
I know, but I have a feeling this red thing over here needs to go green.
No. Wait, what? Red thing?
Look, there's a little red button. There's a little red thing over here. Look.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't matter right now.
He's coming.
It's
He's coming.
in
He's coming.
order.
Coming. He's coming. Stick to the sides. Stick to the sides.
He doesn't even turn this way. He turns the other way. Oh, he does.
Run, run, run. Go, go, go.
He must have gone the other way.
Then he'll go to the other side.
It's so what he does is he goes up the hallway. It goes the way that, like the opposite side that we're.
This is supposed to be for dumb people, I guess.
Maybe. Like
He has a certain pattern. I figured out his pattern.
Nice. Let's try the button again.
So I know which way he should be going.
Red button. No, let me press it. I want to press it.
What the? Why?
I told you they're not in order. There's a combination.
What's the order?
I think we have to
I'll
go
stay
to
here.
the other
I'll
door.
stay here.
Okay,
I'll stay
wait.
here.
I want to see what's in the other door.
I'll stay here.
No, bro, you're coming with us.
Oh, fine. He'll be going to our
Plus,
side
the people
first.
won't even get any action if you say that.
Yeah.
Everyone is filming.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Oh, he's on
Oh,
the
must
other.
be
He's over
somewhere.
there. We're fine for now.
Wait, didn't you get a key earlier?
Key card. Yeah, but I used it already.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Just
Key,
leave.
key, key.
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 Got it.
Let me get my key.
I hear him. I hear him. Hear him.
You know, it doesn't have anything in there. Does it? This must mean whatever we are looking for must be in the locked room on the other end of the hallway.
Yeah. Wait.
Wait, can we
we
stop
got
for
a
a
key
second?
now. We have the key
Wait, can we
now.
stop for a second? I need to go to the bathroom.
My key keeps disappearing.
Yeah, I'm holding it. You have to keep holding it. I have the key now.
Okay, can we just can we
Whoever
just
picks up. Okay, only one of us can have it at a time.
Don't
Okay.
hold. Don't hold.
Excuse me, BR.
Same. I'm back in the jail.
Why?
I don't know. I'm still back in here. I'm coming out. I'm getting out. The door's already open. I'm out. See ya.
White screen's back for me.
Wait, what?
I think it was a glitch. You got teleported back.
Yeah. Oh God, I broke the game. Minnie, I have broken the game.
Yeah, you have.
I'm getting the reunion thing again.
Yeah, same.
We're gonna have to restart, aren't I? I'm back here!
Yeah, we all are.
Oh my god.
He's coming to kill us now. He's about to kill Star.
I'm back.
Quick,
I
get to
broke
the
the
side.
game, I broke the game.
Yeah, for some reason, when Laura died, she went back to jail, and then when she came out, we all got teleported back.
Okay. Wonderful.
We have to restart it now.
Why though?
Wait, no, we don't have to restart it. Let's just go grab the key.
Maybe it wasn't a glitch. Just run and get the key, and stay on the side.
I'm already running.
I'm running. I'm running. I'm running.
I'm already at the door.
We might get a copyright
I'm already
claim
almost at
because
the
of that
key.
song.
I'm almost already there. I'm here. I'm here. I got the key.
One for me. I'm gonna get
Let's
the
go.
key.
I can't pick it up for some reason.
Only one person can pick it up at a time.
I can't pick it up.
chance I gotta be there. Oh, what did you do? What did everybody do?
Should
Do we
I
have to
die?
die again? Do we have to die again?
Yeah. Maybe.
Don't die, Flora.
What?
Yeah, let's all
It's my
die.
fault. I deserve to be sacrificed.
Well, how is it your fault?
Because I died.
How did you die also?
Yeah, but you didn't know that was gonna happen.
Mister! I'm in your hallways! Are you mad at me?
To try and
I
guess
just
how
got
tall he is.
yeeted! Maybe I just got yeeted.
I'm running backwards. Who wants to try and guess how tall he is?
No.
No. I
He's
feel
super
like
tall.
you'd
There
be
you
7
go.
foot.
That's,
I have a feeling you'd be 7 foot.
I'm 5'2".
I'm 5'4", almost 5'5".
Oh, he's like following me.
Wait, actually, I might be 5'4", 5'4" or 5'3".
Oh
5'2".
my god, people. His hands are backwards.
That's a crime!
No kidding, they're like upside down backwards and holding his staff like that.
That's a crime, Minnie.
Ah.
Still can't get it.
You maybe have to restart the game?
Let's go!
I just want to have the tea party with you.
No. Then
Aw.
why would every time I see him he'd be staring at me?
Maybe he just likes you.
Nope! Probably over 100 years old. Disgusting.
No. Like likes you or like wants a friend. But he just
Bro.
doesn't know how to do it.
I'm running. What the fuck?
I don't know
is
what that says. Just kidding.
Come on. Come in, Flora.
Okay.
Oh.
Hold on, give me a sec. Oh wait, no, I see the code.
We're waiting for you, but Minnie went to go pee.
Oh. Coming.
Do not flip the switch, okay?
I will not flip any switch. Star, I hear him behind me.
Run.
I'm in the room. He's coming, close the door!
Don't flip that switch. Don't.
Say,
Else. He basically went through.
oh my god! What the heck?
Star, what the fudge did you do?
What?
Star, what did you do?
Knife.
I didn't do anything. I was over there.
David was the thing that was basically killing us.
I picked up
There,
the
I
knife.
said it. David's the thing that was killing us, okay?
I have
Okay.
the knife. I picked it up.
Minnie, what'd you do?
I know, I don't know, I picked it up.
I'm
Is it gonna have to
struggling.
do something?
I'm scared.
Just
Well,
don't
I
have,
think
like,
we have to.
something.
I think we have to kill the heart.
Uh-huh.
Why I say we got?
Yeah.
Data and the thing's gone.
Yeah, I know. They disappeared right in front of my eyes.
Kill the heart.
Stab the heart, Minnie. I need you to stab it for me. Minnie, stab the heart. Help, I hear him, I hear him, I hear him. I hear him. Stand back, everyone. Which ways are we supposed to go?
I don't know.
Oh, we have to go down that thing, don't we?
Right now I'm drowning.
What the?
Oh,
Is this a maze?
oh, it's Quizman.
Find out of.
Guys, you're going separate ways.
That's a dead end. Oh, never mind. We need to find room 07. That's room 14.
What does it say? We need an electric car to open that.
So I'm just eating stress.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
That's a big TV. There's a door over here, by the way.
I couldn't open it.
This is the ugliest room I've ever seen.
I know.
Okay, matching room.
Wait a minute, this is room 13.
Why are the
We're
rooms
going
so big?
backwards. I think we have to go back.
We have to go to room 7.
Oh,
Well,
I heard 07.
Yeah, that's
As
07.
one.
It's 07.
just keep going until you find 07. Room 11.
Alright.
Room 10.
10.
Oh,
7!
I just casually go silent. I found something!
what? What is it?
A level 08. A key for 08. Okay, this is power stuff. I just found 08.
Wait, guys, wait for me!
I'm opening it. I can't open it. Oh wait, hold on.
Huh. Is it?
Good.
It's Sana. Key card. Something.
What? A recharger.
Cool.
Wait, I think we need it for the microwave.
Guys, I know where that goes!
Microwave.
Look, no, it's not that. Follow me. Power room. I found this little thing at the back. Come on.
This. Put it in.
Wait, let me just stress eat.
Star, let me just stress eat real quick. I'm already done. All my breaks.
This is why you explore rooms and don't leave your bestie behind.
I'm sorry that I left you behind. Okay, come on, we need to continue exploring. Wait, I think
Come on. This way, Star.
Hmm?
Star, come on.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
Oh, Again, you're running off with your out the bestie.
Dead end, I
Again.
think. No, it's not.
Isn't it funny how we're all just running on the side because of what
Yeah.
just happened?
I just saw I just saw policemen. I
Where's
see
the
where the
policeman?
power things are.
Go to get the power thing.
Check room 6. Can't open it. That was
Oh,
terrifying.
yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah. So the thing
Oh,
is,
next one.
can I tell you something?
Mhm.
Okay.
I just
So
saw
guys,
a
let's
policeman
go
with a
look for
bloody
the next
face.
one.
The face of the policeman was bloody. Its
Did
mouth
he
was
die?
bloody. I'm taller than you,
It's very
haha.
normal if you get punched in the stomach. You can spit out blood sometimes.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's look. Wait, let's go look for the last one.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
So we don't have to make as many trips.
Opened it. Nothing. Except for a rug.
All right.
Somebody's happened to her.
No, somebody's having bloody diarrhea. Uh. Hmm.
I can open
Maybe
the
at the end
door.
of the hallway.
I opened the door.
Oh. Oh.
Totally not disturbing at all.
I think we have to put one by one.
I found a key. I found a key. For O3. I found a key for O3.
Wait, come on.
Right.
We found something.
No, I'm going to put the. I'm
No,
going
no,
to
no,
put
don't. I found a key for O3.
Right. Wonderful.
Hey, bestie. Come here. What did I find? I found the key card.
Check
I
in
found the
there.
key card.
Check in the bathroom.
I found the key card. Locked. Can't open it. Wait, remember the key card in the first room? We gotta go back to the first room. I have the key card for the microwave.
It was a safe.
The safe then.
There you go.
It's a microwave.
It looked like a microwave, okay?
What kind of microwave doesn't have a window? And a
Might
lock.
have been hallucinating. Found our first room that we looked in. Jeez, Star, you scared me.
Like, hello.
Hello!
Wait, do I look like a
Found
girl?
it, got it, let's go.
Let's go.
It
Oh my
was
God.
number 09, I think it was. 09.
Number 9.
What?
Phone number 09.
Yeah, here it is. Put it in, Star.
I don't have it.
I have
Minnie,
it.
Minnie, put it in.
Can you stop pushing me?
Hold on, it's on the wrong side, Minnie.
Now it's just like, man, you gotta have that time when you
It's
just
open, it's ready, it's ready. We can go open 07 now.
and it's a race.
Once I get a jump scare first, I like guarantee he's about to jump scare you.
I'm going to stress eat.
Yeah, I got it.
Get in the light!
Light!
Oh!
Also, I think whenever one of you steps in the light, you all go, because I didn't even step in it, and like I got the white screen.
Where are we?
We're about to hit jump scares, I can tell.
Yeah.
And let's go first.
I
I
just
can
saw.
see something in the distance. Guys, wait
Yeah.
for me, wait for me. Yeah,
Come on, bestie.
It's everyone's best. She's everyone's best.
We're all besties here.
yeah. We can be like
My
a
old-
bestie group.
I'm in my old house. Oh, this is the house.
Hey!
Why do you have a yellow ball above your door?
I don't know. Whoa.
It's been robbed.
It's been
House.
robbed.
Oh God!
Your house has been robbed. I'm sorry to break
Is
it to you.
the
Your house
pizza
has been
still
robbed.
there? Wait, let me check if the pizza's still there. The pizza's still there.
Oh my god, wait, what?
Is it one? Did we have another one of those microwaves?
Oh my god, please, Minnie, can you stop bugging me about that? It was an honest
Blah.
mistake.
Look, there's a cute little Freddy over here.
You know.
Doors,
Why would you close that?
doors. Oh, David!
David!
David.
David!
Look
David!
now. He's literally holding it though.
David.
David.
But wait, he's
David,
holding
David,
chains.
David, David,
He's holding them. He's
I
choosing to
know
do
he
that.
is holding, but I'm still alive.
Oh.
Oh!
That's the girl.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Is it bad that I have a Lego dragon beside me? The elves. Same
No.
one.
No.
Oh. You guys mentioned chapter 3?
No.
Yes,
Are
yes.
you like one of
I'm
them?
good, thanks.